In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subtle drop shadow to text in Canva. If you want your text to stand out a little more without looking too heavy or distracting, adding a soft drop shadow is a great option. It can help improve contrast, give your design a bit more depth, and make headlines or important words easier to notice. The key is to keep the effect clean and readable, so it supports your design instead of overpowering it. To get started, open your Canva design and click on the text you want to edit. Make sure you've selected the exact text box you want to work with, because the effect will only apply to the text that's currently highlighted. This is especially useful if your design includes multiple headings, subheadings, or text styles, and you only want to adjust one specific element. Once your text is selected, go to the top toolbar and click on Effects. This will open Canva's text styling options, where you can apply different visual treatments to your text. Look through the available choices and select Drop. This is the option that creates a shadow effect behind the letters. After choosing Drop, you'll see several controls that let you customize how the shadow looks. You can change the color to better match your overall design. In most cases, a darker tone works well, but depending on your background and text color, you may want to test something softer. You can also adjust the transparency, which controls how visible the shadow is. Lower transparency usually creates a more natural and polished result. Next, adjust the blur to control how sharp or soft the shadow appears. A little blur can make the effect feel smoother and less harsh. You can also change the direction, which determines where the shadow falls in relation to the text, and the offset, which controls how far away the shadow sits from the letters. Small changes here can make a big difference, so it's worth taking a moment to fine-tune the look. As you make these adjustments, keep the shadow subtle. That's one of the most important parts of using this effect well. If the shadow is too dark, too sharp, or too far offset, the text can start to look messy or harder to read. A soft, minimal shadow usually gives the best result and keeps your text clean, modern, and easy to understand. And that's it. With just a few adjustments, you can add a simple drop shadow in Canva that gives your text more depth while still keeping your design professional and readable.